enjoy the
As long
film.
as Salman sir does not make Murgados and Sajid Nadyarwala cry after the release and break her amazing track record, I am fine with it.
I think, who knows? You know the full song?
नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो बात नहीं रात
Wonderful, wonderful. When he comes to watch this movie,
So thank you, sir.
and then they talk about nepotism. इससे बड़ा केस क्या होगा nepotism का?
he just wanted to come. What was the reason why he wanted to come for this one?
He loved the film and he wanted to see the. आप सबसे मिलना था, देखना था कि आप मुझे कैसे ट्रीट करते हो.
This is a great partnership also that has come back. लोग बोलते हैं कि Eid has become synonymous with you forever. जब एक आध गैप आ जाता है, so वो लगता है कि fill in the blanks क्यों?
Eid, Diwali, New Year, festive, non-festive.
Right.
It's the love of the people.
Yeah.
And picture अच्छी हो, बुरी हो, वो 100 तो पार करा ही देते हैं.
200 sir, 3-4 दिन में 200. Now first reaction.
200, 100 बहुत पहले की बात थी.
First,
बीच में कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है, और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में. अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्ची हो जाएगी, हाँ बड़ी स्टार हो जाएगी, वो सभी काम करेंगे ना, मम्मी का परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगा, है ना?
Left, no.
Yeah. Hero introduction, intro, black, climax, all high points I like.
5 days shooting still left.
Yes,
ये
very
एक
good.
दूसरे पे डाल रहे हैं.
Yes, what, sir?
I have done this film because my fans wanted me to work with Murgados and Sajid Nadyarwala and Rashmika Mandana, so I am doing this film. And now श्रेय इनको जाता है पिक्चर की सक्सेस का. मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी. 7 बजे से लेके 9 बजे तक शूटिंग कराता था आदमी. पसली टूटी है, ये हो गया, वो नो वन लास्ट शॉट सर, 1-3 शॉट्स सर, लेफ्ट सर. या
Yes sir.
For gay.
Not now. You can thank him few years later. But if you want to thank him right now, we can arrange that also.
You didn't think the press conference would be like this, no? You thought it'd be a little more structured. Yeah, but this is how we do the press conferences here.
No, our shooting was part will be like.
Shooting also was like this. We'll come to Sharman. Sharman, good to see you back, brother. This is fantastic. I was reading a story how, it's always like that. He just has such a large heart, and Salman sir is there, it always, I remember when we were doing Race 3 also, and when Bobby sir had come and big body was there and all, and I mean, now, just imagine where he's reached, it's fantastic. You look at Bobby 2.0, look at how it's happened. Is this going to be Sharman 2.0?
I hope so. Good evening, everyone. I would really like to firstly thank Salman sir for all the love he's given me throughout the making of this film. I've really enjoyed working on this film. I would also like to thank Sajid sir for this wonderful opportunity. Murugadas sir, thank you so much. And all the lovely ladies and Satyaraj sir. It's been a wonderful journey. Salman sir was nothing like what I'd heard before. And he was an absolute, I know everyone believes he's a gem and he is one, but I experienced it for the first time. And I was really, really honored to share screen space with him. So yeah, thank you.
He surprised you when he saw
See,
it.
I think all of them are fantastic and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2 and we were there and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till 6:30 in the morning and then she used to go back to work for Pushpa 2, and she was not well as well. And then, after she breaking her leg, she is still short with us, didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me. Yeah.
You had broken ribs.
Younger me means yesterday coming.
But you had a very action hero image
Hey,
also.
when the going gets tough, the tough get going.
All right, ladies. So the Rashmika, we're going to the other two theaters. There are fans in the other theaters. What do you mean? Sir, one solo. Just one second. One second.